The Addi Express Knitting Machine is a circular knitting machine that allows you to knit in the round or flat, making it incredibly versatile for a wide range of projects. With its user-friendly design and simple operation, you'll be amazed at how quickly you can whip up beautiful knitted creations. Using the Addi Express Knitting Machine is a breeze. Simply thread your yarn through the machine, turn the handle, and watch as your stitches effortlessly form on the needles. With the ability to knit up to 22 stitches wide, you can create everything from cozy hats and scarves to intricate blankets and shawls. But the Addi Express Knitting Machine isn't just for beginners. Experienced knitters will appreciate its speed and efficiency for churning out multiple projects in record time. Whether you're looking to bulk up your handmade gift stash or start your own knitting business, this machine is a game-changer. With features like adjustable tension, interchangeable needle sizes, and compatibility with a variety of yarn weights, the Addi Express Knitting Machine offers endless possibilities for creativity. Plus, its compact size makes it easy to take on the go, so you can knit anywhere, anytime. In conclusion, the Addi Express Knitting Machine is a must-have tool for knitters of all skill levels. Whether you're looking to speed up your knitting process or explore new techniques, this machine is sure to become your new favorite knitting companion. Comment, like, subscribe. Thank you.